Good morning dears. Last class we learnt parallelogram and area of a parallelogram and exercise 2.1 up to third problem we did. Now we are going to learn fourth problem. Janagi has a piece of fabric in the shape of parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter. What is the height is given to us? 12 meter. And its base is 18 meter. Its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms by cutting the parallel lines through its midpoint. Before that, what is a midpoint? Midpoint cuts the line segment in equal halves. That means it cuts equally. So 4 equal parts. You will get 4 parallelograms. Now it cuts midpoints equally. Now only I wrote midpoints cuts the line segment equally. So what is the base is given to us? 18 meter. So what is the base? New base. New base equal to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9 meter. What is the length is, height is given to us? 12 meter. So what is the new height? New height equal to 12 by 2, 6 meter. Now find the area of each new parallelogram. So what is the area of a parallelogram formula? You know very well. Area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. What is the base we are getting? 9. That height is 6. So 54 meter square. This is the answer for this question. Now come to the fifth problem. A ground is in the shape of a parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is 14 meter. What is the height of the parallelogram is given to us? 14 meter. Now, and the corresponding base is 8 meters longer than its height. Should underline the word longer than its height. Base is height equal to 14 meter. What is the base? Base is 8 meters longer than its height. So, 14 plus 8. Now, base is 22 meter. Your base is 22 meter. Then what is the next statement is given to us? Find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of ₹15 per square meter. So what is the cost of leveling the ground? 1 meter square is cost is ₹15. So first we should find out the area of the parallelogram. After that we substitute the values. So, area of the parallelogram, base into height. What is the base? 22. Height is 14 meter. So, multiply. 2 4s are 8. 308. So, area equal to 308 meter square. Then we should find out the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of ₹15 per square meter. What is the cost of leveling 1 square meter? ₹15. Now what is the area of our parallelogram? That is 308 meter square. So cost of leveling 308 square meter. This you can write it as 308 square meter because of area. Meter square we can write as square meter. So 308 into 15. If you are multiplying 8 5s are 40, 3 5s are 15. So 308 that is equal to 0. 4 plus 8 2 164. What is the answer? 4,620. Once again, I will explain this problem. Listen, a ground is in the shape of a parallelogram. The height of the parallelogram is 14 meter. I mentioned here, and the corresponding base is 8 meters longer than its height. So height base equal to 14 plus 8, 22 meter. What is the area of a parallelogram? B into H. We are substituting the values. We are getting the answer 308 meter squared. And we should find out the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. 1 square meter, the cost is rupees 15. So what is the cost of 308 square meter? If you are multiplying, we got that answer 4,620. Now come to that objectives problem. The first one is first one, objective problems. First problem. Now question number is 6. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So parallelogram sides is given to us. What are the sides? 6 and 5 centimeter. What is the formula for finding the perimeter? Perimeter equal to sum of all the sides. This is a general formula. Perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So what is a side is given to us? 6. So you know the property parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. From that property we can write it here 6 then 5. So now add sum of all the sides. 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. Then 11 plus 11, that is equal to 22 meter. Fourth option is given to us 22 meter. Now seventh one, the area of a parallelogram whose base is 10 meter, base equal to 10 meter. What is the height? Height equal to 7 meter. We should find out the area. What is the area formula? B into H. Substitute the values. B is 10, height is 7. 10 sevens are 70 meter square, or else we can write 70 square meter. 4 option is given to us. First option is that answer for you. First option 70 square meter. Now come to that 8th problem. The base of the parallelogram with area is 52 square centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Area is given to us here. The 8th one, area is given to us. That area is 52 square centimeter. What is the height is given? Height is 4 centimeter. We should find out the base. But you know the formula, area, base into height equal to 52. What is the base? Base we don't know, keep as it is. What is the height? H equal to 52. So B equal to 52. Multiplication it goes on that side. It is division. If you are cancelling, how many 4s are there in 5? 1, then 12, 3. So what is the base? Base equal to 13 centimeter. Now come to that 9th one. What happens to the area of a parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times and the height is halved? Listen carefully. Base is increased 2 times and the second statement, height is halved. What is the area? They asked to us. First option is given to us, decrease to half. the second option is given to us remains the same. The third option is given to us increases by 2 times. The fourth option, none. You know what is the area? Area equal to B into H. What is the statement is given to us? Base is increased 2 times. So what is the new base? 2B, because 2 times is given to 2 times, that it be 2B. That height is halved. So what is the height now? 1 by 2H. Now cancel this 2 now B into H. So you are getting the same area now. So what is the answer? Remains the same formula we are getting here. Now come to the 10th one. In a parallelogram, the base is 3 times its height. Base is 3 times its height. That means B equal to 3 into H. If the height is 8 centimeter, then the area, they are asking to us find the area of a parallelogram. But 2 clues are given to us. First clue is base is 3 times the height, and the second clue height equal to 8 centimeter. So what is the base now? 3 into 8, that is equal to 24. What is the area now? B into H. B is 24 and that height is 8. So 4 8s are 32, 3, 2 8s are 16 plus 3. 4 8s are 32, 3, 2 8s are 16 plus 3, 19. 192 square centimeter. What is the option is given to us? Second option is the answer, 192 square centimeter. Now, we are well known about that parallelogram. Now, we look at that rhombus. What is a rhombus? In a parallelogram, all the sides are equal. It is called as a rhombus. You know the property in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. But in rhombus, all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, it's called rhombus. Some properties the rhombus hold. First property, all the sides are equal. And the second property, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and all the sides are equal. And the third property, the diagonal bisects each other at right angles. That means diagonals, these are the diagonals. The two diagonals bisect each other at right angles. And fourth property is, so here no space, I will write it here. The diagonal divides the rhombus into four right angles of equal area. Four right angled triangles of equal area. Here, if this is a diagonal, it divides four right angle. Because the third property only I told, the diagonal bisect each other at right angles. So you know, one of the angle is right angle, the triangle is a right angle triangle. So the diagonal divides into four right angle triangles in equal area. This area also equal. Now, what is the area of a rhombus? If base and height is given, area of your rhombus equal to B into H. Suppose the diagonals are given, area of your rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2 if diagonals are given. Area of a rhombus, if base and height are given, B into H square units, and area of a rhombus, if diagonals are given, half into D1 into D2 into square units. Come to our exercise problem 2.2. The first option is given to us. So diagonals are given, we have to find the area of a parallelogram. If diagonal is given, what is the formula for finding the area of your rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. What is D1 here? D1 equal to 16 centimeter, D2 equal to 8 centimeter. So area of your rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2. So half into 16 into 8. Co-cancellation method, how many 2's are there in 16? 8. So 8 8's are 64 centimeter square. Once again I will read out the problem. Listen. Two diagonals is given. So diagonals D1 equal to 16 centimeter, D2 equal to 8 centimeter. If diagonals are given, what is the formula for finding area of your rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. I am substituting the values here, 16 into 8. So how many 2's are there in 16? 8. Now cancel the 8. 16, we are getting 8. 8 8's are 64 centimeter squared. Come to the second option. Second option. Rhombus height is 11 centimeter, P, Q, R, S. What is the base? 15 centimeter. Here base and height is given. Base equal to 15 centimeter, height equal to 11 centimeter. What is the area of a rhombus formula now? Area of a rhombus B into H, base into height. What is the base is given? 15. Height is given 11. So 15 11s are 165 centimeter squared. Come to the second problem. Find the area of a rhombus whose base is 14 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. Base equal to 14 centimeter. What is the height is given? 9 centimeter. So area of a rhombus formula, base and height is given, base into height. Easy one, we can do easily. Base is 14, height is 9. Now 14 9s are 126 centimeter square. Now come to the third problem. Find the missing value. 3 options is given to us. First option, diagonal D1 equal to 19 centimeter, diagonal D2 equal to 16 centimeter. We have to find out that area. And the second option, one diagonal is given, one diagonal is missing, but area is given. We have to find out the diagonal. And the third problem, one diagonal, first diagonal is missing, second diagonal is given to us 12 millimeter and area is given to us. We have to find out the diagonal. This also easy one only. We will do now the first one. D1 equal to 19 centimeter. What is D2? D2 equal to 16 centimeter. What is the area of a rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. What is D1 here? 19. D2 is 16. So I can cancel this one. How many 2s are 16? 8 2s are. So 19 into 8. If you are multiplying 152 centimeter square. The second one, D1 is given to us. D1 equal to 26 meter. D2 we don't know, as it is we keep it, and area equal to 468 square meter. What's the area formula? Area equal to half into D1 into D2. You know what is D1? 26. I had to find out D2, so I kept as it is, equal to 468. Now we can cancel these two, no? 13 2s are 26. So D2 equal to 468, here 13. 13 into D2 equal to 468. Now here multiplication, it goes on that side, it will be division. So D2 equal to 468 by 13. Go for cancellation method. How many 13s are there in 46? 3. So 46, 39, you are getting 78. How many? 3 13s are 39. Then how many 13s are 78? 6 13s are. So D2 equal to 32 meter. Now third one. Once again I will read out that problem. D1 equal to 26 meter. Diagonal 2 we have to find out. Area is given. But we know the formula. What is the area of your rhombus? Area equal to half into D1 into D2. Now D1 is given, so I substitute that value 26, but D2 as it is I kept, that is equal to 468. If you are cancelling 26 by 2, you are getting 13. 13 into D2 equal to 468. Here multiplication, it goes on that side will be division. So D2 equal to 468 by 13. If you are cancelling, you are getting the answer 36 meter. Come to the third problem. D1 we have to find out. D2 equal to 12 millimeter. What is the area? Area is 180 square millimeter. But you know the formula? Likewise, the second problem, half into D1 into 12 equal to 180. If you are cancelling 6, so D1 into 6 equal to 180, then D1 equal to 180 by 6, that is equal to, if you are cancelling 6, how many 6 are there in 18? 3, 0. So D1 equal to 30 millimeter. Once again I will read out. I will explain this one. Diagonal 1 we have to find out. D2 is 12 millimeter and area is given. Formula half into D1 into D2 equal to 180. D1 we don't know. So as it is I kept. Then D2 equal to 12, that is equal to 180. If you are cancelling 12 by 2, you are getting 6. So D1 into 6 equal to 180. Multiplication goes on that side, it will be a division. So D1 equal to 180 by 6. If you are cancelling, we are getting the answer 30. So D1 equal to 30 millimeter. Come to the fourth problem. The area of a rhombus is 100 square centimeter and length of one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter. Find the length of the other diagonal. Likewise, only we will do this problem also. Area of a rhombus equal to 100 square centimeter. And what is one diagonal is given? D1 equal to 8 centimeter. You have to find out the other diagonal. What's the area of your formula here? Half into D1 into D2 equal to 100. What is D1? Half into 8 into D2 equal to 100. If you are cancelling 4, so 4 into D2 equal to 100. Then D2 equal to 100 by 4. Here multiplication, it goes on that side. Division, 100 by 4. If you are cancelling, 25. So D2 equal to 25 centimeter. Area of a rhombus is given. One diagonal is given. We have to find out the other diagonal. Formula we know, half into D1 into D2 equal to 100. Then what is the D1? 8. D2 we don't know. I kept as it is. That is equal to 100. If you are cancelling 8 by 2, we are getting 4. 4 into D2 equal to 100. D2 equal to 100 by 4 equal to 25. Then D2 equal to 25 centimeter. That fifth one, have to listen carefully. A state is in the shape of a rhombus whose diagonals are given as 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The surface of the slit should be covered by an aluminium foil. Find the cost of aluminium foil used for 400 such sweets. How many sweets we are going to prepare? 400 at the rate of ₹7 per 100 square meter. What is the cost of covering 100 square centimeter? ₹7. So what is the shape of a sweet rhombus is given to us and diagonals also is given. So you know immediately after looking the shape, you know what is the sweet? What is the sweet here? Maybe burfi. Diagonals is given. What's the diagonal? 4 and 5 centimeter. So first we should find out the one sweet area. First we have to find out the area of one sweet. After that we have to find out 400 sweets area. After that find the cost. Now we'll find out area of one sweet. D1 equal to 4 centimeter, D2 equal to 5 centimeter. What is the area? Shape is area of rhombus. So area of a rhombus equal to half into D1 into D2. That is equal to half into 4 into 5. If you are cancelling, getting 2. So 10 centimeter square. Then area of 400 sweets. Now that is equal to 400 into 10. So 4000 centimeter square. Already I told this, we can write it as 4000 square centimeter. Now what is the cost of covering 100 square centimeter? Rupees 7. But we have to find out what is the square centimeter is given. We are getting cost of covering 4000. But one thing you should remember here, 100 square centimeter cost is given rupees 7. But we have to find out 4000 square centimeter. First we will find what is the cost of 1 square centimeter. That is the easy way we can find that answer. 1 square centimeter, that is equal to 7 by 100. Because 100 square meter cost is 7, we need 1, so we should divide. 1 square centimeter equal to 7 by 100. Now we will find out the cost of 4000. Square centimeter. So 4000 into 7 by 100, 0, 0, you are cancelling. 40 into 7, that is equal to 280 rupees a square centimeter. Here rupees 280 rupees. Once again I will read out the problem. One sweet diagonal is given 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So they are asking to find out the cost of covering aluminum foil for 400 sweets. So first we have to find out the area of one sheet. So I found here area of a rhombus equal to 10 centimeter square. Then area of a 400 sweets equal to, you should multiply 400 into 10 equal to 4000 centimeter square. That we can write it as 4000 square centimeter. And cost of covering 100 square meter is given to us rupees 7. If you are finding 1 square centimeter, then easy to find out the value of 4000 square centimeter. That's why I did like this. Cost of covering 1 square centimeter equal to 7 by 100. Now cost of covering 4000 square centimeter equal to, we should multiply 4000 into 7 by 100. Here 2 zeros are cancelled. So 40 into 7 equal to rupees 280. Now we look at that objective type questions. Objective type questions. 6th one. The area of the rhombus with the side 4 centimeter and height. What is that? Side is given to us. Base equal to 4 centimeter. Height equal to 3 centimeter. What is the area of rhombus? Formula you know. B into H, that is equal to 4 into 3, 12 centimeter square. Our option is third one, 12 square centimeter. And seventh one, the area of the rhombus when both diagonals measuring 8 centimeter. Both diagonals also 8 centimeter. So, both diagonals also, that's meaning is both diagonals also equal. So, D1 equal to D2 equal to 8 centimeter. What's the formula we have to use it here? Area of a rhombus half into D1 into D2, that is equal to half into 8 into 8, if you are cancelling 4, so 4 8s are 32 centimeter square. Our option is second option, 32 square centimeter, second option for seventh question. Now, eighth one, the area of the rhombus is 128 square centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 32 centimeter and the length of the other diagonal we have to find out. But area of the rhombus is given to us one 128 square centimeter. Then one diagonal is D1, that is 32 centimeter. We have to find out what is D2. We know half into D1. What is the D1? 32. D2, that is equal to 128. 128. If you are cancelling, you will get 16 because 16 2s are 32. So 16 into D2 equal to 128. So D2 equal to 128 by 16. How many 16s are 128? 8 16s are. So D2 equal to 8 centimeter. Our option is given to us second one, 8 centimeter. D2 equal to 8 centimeter. Come to the ninth one, the height of the rhombus whose area 96 square meter and side is 24 meter. We have to find out the area, height of the rhombus. Area is given and base is given. What is the base? Base equal to 24 meter. H we have to find out. Area is given to us 96 square meter. You know the formula, base and height is given, area of a rhombus equal to base into height. So, B into height equal to 96. What is the base is given? 24. So, H equal to 96 by 24. Go for cancellation method. If you are cancelling, 6 4s are 24. Here 2 4s, then 16. For 24 by 6, that is equal to 4 meter. 4 6 are 24, 4 meter. So, height equal to 4 meter. Come to your 10th problem. The angle between the diagonals of a rhombus is, they are asking to us the angle between the diagonals of the rhombus is. The properties you know, rhombus properties, first one, opposite sides are equal and all the opposite sides are parallel, all the sides are equal. And third property, the diagonal divides the rhombus into 4 right angled triangles. And one more property also I told, diagonal bisects each other at right angles. So, the 10th one answer, the angle between the diagonals of the rhombus is 90 degree. The option is given to us, third option. Answer is 90 degree for your 10th question. That's all today's lesson. Thank you dears.